Toronto's trendiest neighborhood with upscale shopping and gourmet restaurants is what we have for you here today. Today we are presenting you a condo situated at the amazing shops at Don Mills, where everything, luxury shopping, restaurants, entertainment, recreation and transit is at your doorstep. Check it out. Welcome to 99 the Donway West. This is a fabulous condo not just for its strategic location but also its unique layout. It is a 1-bedroom plus den with 2 washrooms, also comes with a parking and a locker. Let's go inside. The condo features high ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, laminate flooring, modern kitchen with built-in high-end appliances, and unobstructed views from the balcony. This stunning building has awesome recreation facilities such as barbecue area, party room, theatre room, pet spa and a pool table. This neighborhood continues to grow as more condos are being built in this shopping district, hence making it a highly desirable location for end users and investors. So do not miss out on this one.